Nice. WhatsApp. Hello Dee. Hello Harsh. Hello all of you. Saurabh. What's going on?
Nothing, I am just studying. What about your Harsh?
I am keep studying it.
I am studying in 10th class. And what about your Palak, Didi?
I just completed my 12th class and I am just thinking to go in the field of teacher. What about you all?
I want to become a IAS officer. And what about yours, Saurabh?
I want to have a money, power and respect. And what about your future?
My future goals is become an IAS officer, and also if I don't become IAS officer, then I will become teacher, because teacher is most important person of our life.
What about you? Why do you choose this profession?
I chose teacher because teacher is the founder of the world. Without teacher, nobody can gain knowledge, and teacher can develop a healthy society. So I choose the teacher as a profession.
Yes, because if a teacher cannot teach any student, then the student will unemployment and do nothing in his life, only just working at small constructing buildings. Then the economy of the and country the will reduce, and if a person do not do anything in his life, only work at a small scale, then his wages is not comfortable for his family, and he can't serve his families. And if a teacher can teach a child, and the child will make again a teacher, and he teaches hundreds of students. I think teacher is a most demigod. Teacher is a demigod for all students. What do you think about teacher?
Yeah, teacher provide us knowledge. And what do you all think? Why the education is important for our society?
Education is like a diamond which never break it, and education is very important for us, and every man take knowledge and education. What think about you, Pratiksha?
Yes, you are right. Education is like a treasure. And what about your Palak?
Yeah, you speak very good thought that education is like a treasure. It never lost or nobody can steal it. Education is the fundamental right for us, and to restricting anyone for getting good quality education is a crime in India. So it is very important for everyone.
That's right. And education helps to take a perfect decision in our life. And Hers, what do you think about education?
I think about education. Education is the success of key in your life, because if a person have to give water in field, then he don't keep a pot and go to river and bring some water to irrigate his field. It is not good, and it is so hard. If you have to irrigate your field, then you have to use science. What is the science? You can make a pump that can be help you in bringing water from the river direct by pumps, and there are so many systems like drip systems, and so many systems to irrigate your fields. If a person is educated, then he can do all these things. But if a person is illiterate, he don't know what is science and what he can do for his fields.
Pratiksha, why education is important in our life?
Nice question. Education is very important for everyone's life in every field, political, science and economics also. Education is a panacea for our society, and teacher is a backbone for our society. And what do you think, Palakdi?
We always heard a thought that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. It is true, because by using education we can take good decisions, right decision in the favor of right. And what you think?
Education is a key of developing a society, and many think education is important. What government do the education, Pratiksha?
Government do many things for educate children and younger persons also. And in India have a constitution. There is a article 21 that every children have to must complete their education. 14 to 16 years old children's compulsory to take education, free education, and it's very beneficial for everyone.
Yeah, also government gives many scholarship for educating the students, and there are so many scholarship which provide a financial backbone for our family and a student. Do you know any name of any scholarship?
Yes, I know the so many scholarships names. First is NSO, National Science Olympiad. It is a scholarship of 70,000 in in 1 month. It is valid for 1 year. Then there are 12 months in year. Then 1 month after 1 month you have 70,000, and this is my scholarship name. What are the major source of education to take education?
Yeah, there are so many sources to take education, like online and offline. Online education is very good for modern society. Many students who can't go outside for their studies, they can study at the home with the help of YouTube and many other platforms. And Pratiksha, what you think about online and offline studies?
I think Palak, you are right. But according to me, online education is sometimes it's bad for everybody, because some side effects of online education, when we try to get education with the help of phone and computers, so we spend our time on screen, and the radiation of phone and the computers is very harmful for our eyes and our brain system. It's also a reason of migraine, and it's a very dangerous disease. What do you think, Palak?
Yeah, you are right. What you think?
Inspire scholarship is a very good scholarship. What do you think about Inspire?
Inspire scheme is a very good scheme for all of us. It gives us those children who got top first in 12th class with the science field, and it gives us 1 lakhs per year, and it's valid for 5 years.
I think Inspire Award is a scholarship when a model have to make by a student. Then the prize will come from the government, and the advance money of 10,000 has been given by the student to make the model by the government. I think it is a Inspire Award.
There are two schemes. First one is Inspire Bursary, means Inspire Scholarship, and second one is Inspire Award. Inspire Scholarship is given to those students who come in the top 1% in their boards, and Inspire Award is given to those students who are doing model. So education is also important for the women's empowerment. Women's empowerment is also a very good factor which is very important in our society. Girls should also do best in their in many fields.
As we all know, our Indian culture gives utmost respect to women. They has been worshipped by many faithful people. The goddess of wealth is Lakshmi, the goddess of wisdom is Saraswati, and the goddess of power and strength is Durga. What do you think about women's empowerment, Pratiksha?
It is very important for every woman. In ancient time, people didn't teach women, and they think women are not good. And now in this time, women are equally done, equals boys. And what do you think, Palak?
Yeah, there are so many examples. Sheetal Devi is the very motivating example for us. She is a para archer, and she is the only one first international para archery champion who did it without her upper limbs, and she is a very motivating. What do you think about women's empowerment?
I don't know.
Oh, it's okay, Saurabh, but I know women's empowerment is very necessary for all of us, and if we encourage women, so it's very helpful for our India and all of countries.
आई थिंक आंधी चलती है तो दिन रात बदल देती है, बिजली कड़कती है तो दिन रात बदल देती है, जब कड़कती है नारी शक्ति तो दिन रात बदल देती है, दिन रात बदल देती है.
Great, Ayush, great. Very nice. So, okay, now today we gain much of knowledge, and so bye all of you.
Okay, bye all of you.